Tappara are flattered to deceive at this stage of the CHL, never progressing past the round of 16. The visitors, EV Zug, were eager to keep up the CHL hoodoo that seems to surround the Finnish team. And what a start the visitors made. Dario Simeon firing a wrist shot from a real tight angle. You'll see it here on the slow-mos, especially from this one. Straight in from the right wing, high stick side, and things got even better with a power play goal. Alatalo played catch, and when he got the return pass, he made no mistake with a blast from the blue line. It was looking good for Zug. But the second period belonged to the home team. 3 power play goals they managed to notch. The first, a blast from the blue line of their own. Kemilainen, the goal scorer. Kusala with the pass, and that'll be a theme as we see here the second goal. Kusala straight across the ice to feed the one-timer. Karjalainen with this one, and it was all square. The home team finally got their noses in front. A lovely redirect after a pass from Virta. Vukinen got the home fans rocking. But Zug are resilient, and Hoffman pounced on a mistake at his own blue line by Suhonen and made no mistake on the finish. It was 3 apiece. Both teams tightened up shortly after this, and there was only really one gilt-edged chance to talk about in the third. But Tappara just couldn't convert, and the game finished 3 apiece. It set up the second leg lovely next week. Tappara 3, Zug 3.